Okay, hi guys. Today I will go over how to find empirical formulas and molecular formulas of certain molecules. So, really briefly, empirical formula is like the simplest whole number ratio of elements in a compound, and molecular composition is the actual number of atoms in each element in a molecule of a compound. So let's go over on how to solve these questions. So let's look at let's look at this one, number 6. So first we're gonna convert these percentages into grams. So basically potassium is, there's grams, there's 34.76 grams of manganese and 40.50 grams of oxygen. And this all should add up to 100 grams. And then we're going to convert these into moles using their molar mass. So the times moles over potassium, and the potassium molar mass is 39.1 grams, and for manganese it's going to be 54.93 grams. For oxygen, it's going to be 16 grams. And now let's calculate all of these. 7. 0.63 moles for potassium, 0.63 moles for manganese as well, and 2.53 moles for oxygen. So what we're gonna do from here is we're going to divide each of these moles by the smallest number of moles in among these three values, which is going to be 0.63, right? So if you divide 0.63 by 0.63, it's going to be 1. Same for manganese. And for oxygen, it's going to be around 4. It's 4.01, but we can simplify it to 4. So basically, the empirical formula for this compound is going to be KMnO4. As simple as that. Okay, now let's look at a molecular formula problem. So it's going to be pretty similar at first. So we first have to find the molar mass of the empirical formula. Okay, we're gonna first find the empirical formula. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're going to convert the percentages into grams. So there's going to be 40.0 grams of carbon, 6.67 grams of hydrogen, 53.3% grams of oxygen, and let's convert them into molars. So grams mole over, okay guys, over 12. I just had to make sure I remembered. 6.67 times 1 gram and 53. Okay, now let's calculate them. 3.33. Yeah. 6.67 divided by 16. 3.3. So now we're gonna divide them in by the smallest number from here, which is 3.3. So it's going to be 1, 2, and 1. So empirical formula is carbon, H2, and O. Now we have to try to find the molecular formula of the compound. So first we're gonna find the molar mass of this compound, which is carbon is 12 grams plus 2 times hydrogen, which is 1 gram, plus 16, which is oxygen, so it's 30 grams. And now we have to find the ratio from the molar mass and the empirical formula, which is going to be the compound to the empirical formula, which is 150 grams over 30 grams, which is 5. Right. And then, since we know the ratio from the molar mass of the compound and the molar mass of the empirical formula is 5, we're just going to do this times 5, which is going to be C5H H10O5. Hope this helped.